Every movement in your body, from lifting weights to digesting food, depends on specialized muscle tissue, but not all muscles are the same. We have two major types, skeletal muscle and smooth muscle, and they differ in structure, control, and microscopic organization. So let's start with skeletal muscle. It's the muscle that's attached to your bones. It really allows you to perform voluntary movements like walking, writing, or lifting objects. Because these movements are under our conscious control, skeletal muscle is controlled by the somatic nervous system. Under the microscope, skeletal muscle fibers appear long, cylindrical, and striated, meaning they have these visible stripes. These stripes come from highly organized structures called sarcomeres. A sarcomere is the fundamental contractile unit of muscle. It contains two key protein filaments, actin, the thin filament, and myosin, the thick filament. And during contraction, myosin heads actually pull on actin filaments in a process called the sliding filament mechanism, shortening the sarcomere and actually generating force. Because sarcomeres repeat along the length of the fiber in a very organized pattern, skeletal muscle shows its characteristic striped appearance. Now, let's compare this with smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is found in walls of organs, such as the stomach, intestines, blood vessels, and bladder. But unlike skeletal muscle, smooth muscle works involuntarily, meaning it functions automatically without conscious control. It's regulated by the autonomic nervous system, also by hormones and local signals within those tissues. Smooth muscle cells are shorter spindle-shaped and lack visible striations. This is because their actin and myosin filaments are not really arranged in repeating sarcomeres. Instead, the filaments form a more irregular network that allows the cells to contract in multiple directions. This structural difference actually allows smooth muscle to produce slow, sustained contractions, which are ideal for processes like moving food through the digestive tract or regulating blood vessel diameter. To summarize the key differences, skeletal muscle is the voluntary, striated, and organized into sarcomeres, enabling really rapid and powerful contractions for body movements. Smooth muscle is involuntary. It's non-striated and structurally less organized, allowing for more slower and sustained contractions within internal organs. Despite these differences, both muscle types rely on the same basic molecular interaction between actin and myosin to generate that force. So, whether you're running a marathon or your stomach is digesting lunch, microscopic protein machines inside of our muscle cells are constantly working to keep our body functioning.